Take command of the road in the 2008 Nissan Armada. It features an automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. This model accommodates 8 passengers comfortably and provides features such as front and rear cup holders, an automatic dimming rear-view mirror, reverse sensing system, adjustable pedals, rear wipers, and air conditioning. Backseat passengers will appreciate the rear audio controls, allowing them to make easy adjustments to the stereo system. Rear LCD monitors provide entertainment that your passengers will appreciate no matter how far the drive. Nissan ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a security system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. You'll see better when backing up thanks to Rear Park Assist, which watches out for obstacles behind your vehicle. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.